Good evening. Myself, Dr. Raghavendra Pratap Narayan, Assistant Professor Botany from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Government Girls PG College, Aliganj, Lucknow. Today, I am going to present on topic vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds which are required in very small amount for proper functioning of the body, for protection, for maintenance, for health, and proper growth. They are not synthesized in our body but must be supplied from external sources to our body in our daily diet. Some of the vitamins are also synthesized by bacteria present in our intestine, and vitamin D is synthesized in the presence of sunlight. They are also part of enzymatic system. Chemically, they are alcohols, aldehydes, organic acids, and their derivatives. The vitamins can be classified in two broad groups: fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. The water soluble vitamins are vitamins of B group and vitamin C. In fat soluble vitamin A, which is very important vitamin, also called as retinol, and it is essential for proper functioning of our eyes and also play important role in bone growth, teeth development, reproduction, cell division, gene expression, and regulation of immune system. Food material in which vitamin A is found in sufficient amount is dairy product, fish, liver. Uh, the plant origin foods that contain sufficient amount of vitamin A are carrots, pumpkin, winter squash, dark green leafy vegetables, apricots, and many other food materials. Deficiency of vitamin A causes xerophthalmia, nectalopia, hemorrhagia, night blindness, rough and dry skin. In addition to these, deficiency also causes decreased resistance to infections, faulty tooth development, slower bone growth, and also act as growth factor. Another important vitamin D, that is vitamin uh, called as vitamin D, and uh, it is present in two forms, that is vitamin D2 and D3. It is important for the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus, especially in absorption of calcium. And the children especially need adequate amount of vitamin D because they need to develop a strong bone and healthy teeth. The food sources which contain vitamin D are milk and dairy products which are fortified with vitamin D, oily fishes, cod liver oil, and uh, we obtain vitamin D through our skin in the presence of sunlight. Therefore, it is a must for us to get to expose to the sunlight at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickettsia in young ones and osteomalacia and osteoporosis in adults. Another vitamin, which is vitamin E, also called as tocopherol or fertility hormone. It is required in human diet, uh, um, and it is very rare in except in pregnancy and newborn cases. Its deficiency is rare, and it is associated with hemolytic anemia. The food sources which contain sufficient amount of this vitamin E are vegetable oils, fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, fortified cereals. Another vitamin, fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin K, also called as phylloquinone, anti-hemorrhagic vitamin or coagulation vitamin, and found in the two forms, vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. They are synthesized naturally in our body by the intestinal bacteria, and it plays a very important role in blood clotting, promoting bone health, and helping to produce proteins for bone, blood, and kidney. The food sources which contain sufficient amount of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables, turnip greens, spinach, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, certain vegetable oils including soybean oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, olive oil. These are rich in vitamin K. Deficiency causes hemorrhage, and newborn babies need special care. Uh, they must be provided with the vitamin K because they don't have intestinal bacteria that synthesize this vitamin K. The second group, that is water soluble vitamin, which contains vitamin B and vitamin C. The vitamin B group contains thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, um, pyridoxine, biotin, cobalamin, and folic acid. These are very essential for the body because they are a part of enzymatic system which regulate various chemical processes occurring in our body. Important water soluble vitamin, that is vitamin C, also called as ascorbic acid or ascorbate, which is essential for the formation of collagen, um, which is supportive tissue, and vitamin C helps in wound healing, bone and tooth formation, strengthening of blood vessels, wall, improving immune system function, increasing absorption and utilization of iron, and it also act as antioxidant. The food material which contains sufficient amount of vitamin are basically the citrus fruits such as orange, kiwi fruit, grape, guava, papaya, strawberry, and many other food materials. They contain sufficient amount of this vitamin. Deficiency causes scurvy, which causes a loss of collagen. Therefore, the loose teeth are developed, bleeding and swollen gums, and improper wound healing occurs. This was all about vitamins. Thank you.